For this video, I'm going to create a PostgreSQL database and then connect to it. So create it. You have different options. I'm just going to do single server. Okay, choose none. Since I can't do this location, I'll change it. Current version's fine. You can play around with all this. I'll do basic. Admin, password. And everything looks good. Create it. And once done validating and being deployed, I'll come back. Actually, while I wait, we could start the next part. In a previous video, I installed SQL, just SSMS, which is SQL Server Management Studio, and with the installation, there's something. It also installed Azure Data Studio, so we're going to use that. Okay, so we're here, and we got to add the extension of Postgre. Install it. Have to do a lot of. We'll come back when it's ready. So it updated, restarted. So here we see it's installed. I'm gonna come back when this is ready. So then I could create a connection. Oh, it's ready. So connection security, and we want to change it where we want to add the client. Here it is, IP. So then we could connect to the database server. So after you add your client IP address, you save. And then here you'll do add connection. When this is ready, come back. Okay, it's done. Just refreshing just in case. So copy the server name because that's what we want to connect to, and we add the connection. So this is the server. We change this to Postgre. Username is this. Copy it. Password's what you use when you created it. And since we don't have a database yet, we just leave it default and we'll create one later. And we just make some space. So we do new notebook. And we're gonna start. Oh, my bad, not new notebook. Sucks it out, new query. And I'm just gonna we're gonna create a database. Let's just call it app database. Boom. So we're just gonna run this code. And now it's gonna create a database, and after it does that, we're gonna change this. Okay, cool, it's ready. And so now we can change it to appdb. And I'm just gonna write the code and then come back. Okay, so I wrote the code. So first line we already did, we actually ran it, and I created this database of appdb. And then now we're gonna run this where we're creating a table, and it's gonna have rows of customer ID and customer name. Whoa, syntax error. And what did I do wrong? I used the wrong brackets. Okay, let's try it again. So we're going to create the table. And then we're going to insert into the table the data. So customer ID will be C1, and its customer name is that, and then a second one. And then now we're going to see, now we're actually going to select that and create the table from customer. And here we go. Column, second column.